Ito na siya. Hey guys! And welcome back to my channel. And I know right guys, sobrang tagal kong hindi nakapag-vlog. And today, as you can see on my description, we'll be unboxing my iPhone 13 Pro Max. Let's skip that part because we're not actually going to unbox my iPhone 13 Pro Max because I didn't buy it. Well, to be honest, I've been with iPhone for more than I could remember, and I never changed my mind in buying iPhone, and I never hesitate to buy iPhone before. But today, we'll be unboxing my new phone, which is Samsung Galazy Z Flip 3. It is the new version of Z Flip of Samsung Galaxy, and it's 256 gig, and it's my first time to buy a violet phone, which I never did in my life. And to be honest guys, binili ko tong phone na to because it's a trend. It's on trend. Normally, hindi ako bibili ng phone just because of trend. I normally change phone just because I needed it. I need to buy a new one because it's very old, and for my vlog, it's not quite helping me to edit my videos. So anyway, before further ado, let's do the unboxing. So basically, we'll be unboxing my brand new Z Flip 3 that I bought at Media World. Actually, I ordered it online because wala talaga silang Galaxy Z Flip, the color lavender. So I bought it online, and then kinuha ko lang siya dun sa isa sa mga store ng Media World. Basically, it's a same price dun sa online and dun sa shop. However, dun sa shop, wala kang makukuhang lavender. Most of the time, lavender was always sold. I don't know if it's sold or lagi silang wala, but it's impossible. Usually, for example, tigda 2 piece ng color. Most of the time also, pink, just so you know guys, it's not available on store. It's only available at Samsung online shop. Maybe because here in Italy, there's no Samsung shop nearby. And yung pink, madalas ay sa online mo siya pwedeng bilhin. But I'm not a fan of very pink. I love the color of lavender because it's also K-pop. I'm not a fan of K-pop, but I really like them. They're kind of cute and nice, and I want to be wishy-wishy. So yun, unbox natin yung lavender. I'm not also a fan of violet color. It's just because it's limited and madalas sold out anywhere, any store. Yung available na gigabytes lang niya sa store, normally, ang available nila lagi is yung 128 gig. Yung 128 gig, the price is 1,099 euro, and the price of 256 gig is 1,149. So the difference is only a 50 euro, 49 euro. 50 euro is a big amount on peso, but however, for 50 euro, why not buy the 256 gig? Kasi sayang naman yung memory ng phone, diba? Plus, ako kasi yung tipo ng taong vlog ng vlog, video ng video, TikTok ng TikTok, somewhere, everything na nasa cellphone ko ay mahalaga. So basically, kailangan ko talaga ng malaking gig kasi 128 gig, kaka-update lang ng iPhone or anything, hindi na kagad kasha. So, kailangan ko ng malaking memory. Plus, I'm not sure if I'm gonna sell my old iPhone or just stick with this Samsung. So, kailangan ko muna siya itry bago natin malaman ang sagot. And maybe guys, after 1 or 2 months, I'll be doing some review regarding this Samsung because it's my first time to buy a flip phone. Plus, Samsung, ang tagal ko siyang hindi nakasama. Parang once lang yata ako nag-Samsung. That was Samsung Note. I don't know, 1, 2, 3, I don't know. Pero yun, dati nag-Samsung Note ako, pero once lang. Never ako ulit nakabili ng phone na more than iPhone. I mean, hindi iPhone or Apple. And it's just amazing kasi it's very different. The looks I saw in the mall, it's very different from the phone that I was using most of the time. Yung mga phone na nagkaroon ako at yung Samsung, it was my first time to sa flip phone. So, basically, ang nag-introduce sa akin ito ay nanay ko. Medyo bad influence. Kasi dapat 13 yung bibili namin. And then, sabi niya, look, tingnan mo yung phone, yung bagong phone. Kasi siya, lagi siyang on trend. So, chinek niya yung phone ng Z Flip. Pagkatingin niya, I really fall in love with the Z Flip. However, I'm not sure if the system, the program, the pictures, the quality, I don't know. I really don't know, but I'm just so excited to open this one. So, let's just unbox this and let's start using this na. 2 days na siya dito. Hindi ko pa siya nagagamit kasi I've been busy and then hindi ako makapag-unbox. I don't like to just unbox it without showing it to you. Dahil in-order ko siya online and then, diba, kinuha ko na siya sa Media World. It has my name on it. Look. There's my name. Yan. So, it means na hindi nila pwede ibenta to dahil ako umorder nito. So, wala tong down payment. In-order ko lang siya directly online. And then, nilagay ko yung mga details ko, yung mga ganon. And then, sabi ko na, sinulat ko, cash ko siyang babayaran kasi ayoko naman na magbayad kagad ng online kasi I don't feel safe paying 1,000 euro online. Kaya, sabi ko, cash ko siya babayaran. And then, no down payment needed. It arrived after 2 to 3 days. Kasi in-order ko to gabi na eh. At least, ano bang oras? Yung mga 7 p.m. ng gabi. Then, after 2 days, nag-message na kagad sa akin na on the way na. And then, after nun, ng mga bandang hapon na nasa mall na daw, nasa Media World na daw. So, sabi ko, wow, ang bilis na dumating. So, yan. Kung gusto niya talaga ng Lavander and 256 gig, order kayo sa online sa Media World. So, punta lang kayo sa nearest shop sa malapit sa inyo. Ituturo naman niya sa Media World kung saan kayo pwede pumunta online. Mamili lang kayo ng location ng Media World kung saan nyo siya gustong kuhanin. And then, let's unbox this. Guys, there's an instruction here. I think, this one. This looks nice. So, mamaya natin titignan to, ha? Okay. Oh my God, here's it. Oh my God. Instructions, warranty, etc. And yung clip niya, ito siya. Pang-open. It's cute actually. And the quick start guide. Oops, ba't lukot siya? Ayan o. I didn't do it, okay? So yan, how many pages? Yeah, never mind. Yeah, this is the quick start guide. Nakabukod pa, bukod dun sa isa pang mga warranty, etc. niya. Kala ko yun yung instruction. It's really cute. Okay, wala akong maintindihan. So, maybe I'll do it later. Ayusin ko nga yung gamit niya. And then guys, just so you know, bumili ako ng tempered glass for protection dito sa aking Z Flip. Binili ko to online sa Amazon kasi sa Media World, chinek ko siya online kung meron silang tinda, pero wala talaga. So, umorder talaga ako para safe yung cellphone natin. It's actually 16 euro if I'm not mistaken. And then, ito yung housing na binili ko para sa cellphone ko. Binili ko siya sa isang shop kasi akala ko yung in-order ko sa Amazon ay darating pa lang. Pero dumating siya kagad. So, yan siya. So, it was, ayan, may price pa. 20 euro. Pero sa pagdikit ng sticker, I think 199 each letter. So, 4 euro, ganun. So, try natin ikabit to. I thought I broke it. So, meron pala siyang stickers para dumikit. So, ganyan siya. Natatakot ako baka maruin ko siya eh. Ako doon sa isang housing na binili ko, bumili pa ako ng isa. Ito yung binili ko online sa Amazon. Medyo mahal to kasi ito yung mabilis dumating. So, ito lang yung nabili ko ng mabilis dumating. The rest, ang tagal niya. Ay, it looks nice. Ang gusto ko kasi yung merong sling bag siya. Yung pwedeng lagyan ng belt. Kasi natatakot ko na baka mawala ako. So, yun. So, yun. May kasama siyang, bukod doon sa belt, may kasama siyang ganito. Problema ko, wala akong kuko. Ayan. So, this one is additional lang siya para hindi siya mag-slide down. So, takot din sila, no? So, yan siya. Ididikit siya. So, yan guys. Nailagay ko na siya. Tapos, ito yung strap niya. Yun talaga reason kung ba't ko siya binili kasi nakadikit siya sa katawan ko. See? So, yes, I have my phone. And, yeah, baliktad. So, yan siya. Ganyan siya kaliit. Ang pag tinap ko siya, yan. So, yeah. My Galazy Z Flip 3. Ito na siya. So, see you soon on my next vlog tungkol sa feedback and review regarding my phone. And thank you for watching this. And hopefully, nakatulong sa inyo to mag-decide kung anong bibili nyo, kung iPhone or Samsung. But it depends on your heart. So, sundin nyo yung gusto nyo at kung saan kayo masaya. So, ito, I think I finally found the one. So, that's it. Thank you and bye. See you on my next vlog, by the way. Bye!